The nervous system is one of the most complex systems in the human body, responsible for controlling and coordinating all body functions. As medical students, it is essential to have a thorough understanding of the nervous system to diagnose and treat neurological disorders. The nervous system can be divided into two main parts: the central nervous system, CNS, and the peripheral nervous system, PNS. The CNS consists of the brain and spinal cord, while the PNS includes all the nerves that connect the CNS to the rest of the body. The brain is the control center of the nervous system, responsible for processing and interpreting information from the body's senses and initiating appropriate responses. It is divided into several regions, each with its specific functions, including the cerebrum, cerebellum, and brainstem. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain and is responsible for conscious thought, memory, and voluntary movement. It is divided into two hemispheres, the left and right, each with specific functions. The cerebellum is located at the back of the brain and is responsible for coordinating movement and balance. The brainstem connects the brain to the spinal cord and controls vital functions such as breathing, heart rate, and blood pressure. The spinal cord is a long, thin bundle of nerves that runs from the brain down the back. It is responsible for transmitting information between the brain and the rest of the body. The spinal cord is divided into segments, each corresponding to a specific region of the body. The PNS consists of two main types of nerves, sensory and motor. Sensory nerves transmit information from the body's senses, such as touch, smell, and taste, to the CNS. Motor nerves transmit signals from the CNS to the muscles and glands, controlling movement and secretion. The autonomic nervous system, ANS, is a part of the PNS that controls involuntary functions such as heart rate, digestion, and breathing. It is divided into two branches: the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous systems. The sympathetic nervous system prepares the body for action, while the parasympathetic nervous system promotes relaxation and rest. Neurons are the basic building blocks of the nervous system. They are specialized cells that transmit electrical signals throughout the body. Neurons consist of three main parts: the cell body, dendrites, and axons. The cell body contains the nucleus and other organelles, while dendrites receive signals from other neurons. Axons transmit signals away from the cell body to other neurons or muscles. Neurotransmitters are chemicals that transmit signals between neurons. They are released from one neuron and bind to receptors on another neuron, triggering a response. Some common neurotransmitters include dopamine, serotonin, and acetylcholine. Neurological disorders can affect any part of the nervous system and can be caused by a variety of factors, including genetics, infections, and injuries. Some common neurological disorders include Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, multiple sclerosis, and epilepsy. In conclusion, the nervous system is a complex and vital system responsible for controlling and coordinating all body functions. As medical students, it is essential to have a thorough understanding of the nervous system to diagnose and treat neurological disorders effectively. By understanding the structure and function of the nervous system, medical professionals can provide better care for their patients and improve their quality of life.